He's like really... Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I've been in school for a few weeks now. I have a good amount of classes because I am enrolled full-time, and each one of those classes gives out a pretty good amount of work. So since I really need to do this anyways, and I love watching these videos because they really actually help motivate me to be productive, I'm gonna do a clean of almost this whole apartment. Just the spots that really need it. I'm not doing a deep clean or anything crazy, but like my bathroom, my bedroom, the kitchen, I just want to tidy all that up a bit, wipe stuff down. I think the first thing that I'm going to start with is the kitchen, just because it is a shared space and I really want to just get my mess cleaned up.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Okay, so I'm finally cleaning my bedroom now. I've kind of broken up each area of this apartment into a different day because it would just be a lot to do in one day. And I knew that my bedroom would be probably the room that would take the most attention and take me the longest, so I've kind of just procrastinated and left it to the end. The first thing that I'm going to start with is laundry because I have an insane amount of laundry to do. Pile of laundry is insane and getting out of control, so I'm going to start by sorting all of that and doing my clothes part of my laundry first, and then I also want to take my duvet, like cover off of my duvet, clean all of my bed sheets and all that stuff. I guess my room itself doesn't actually look that dirty, but like for example, I want to Windex this entire wall of a mirror that is my closet. I think that before I actually get started though, I'm going to take my laptop off my record player right now and play a record while I'm cleaning. Don't think I'm going to play the Christmas one, but I don't know. I have a few different Billie Eilish ones. I'm kind of feeling in the mood for something old school though, like Fleetwood Mac, or I also do have Arctic Monkeys, which isn't really like old school specifically, but I do love them. Or ABBA. See, I literally forgot about all these records. Yes, I think I'm actually gonna go with Fleetwood Mac. 10:48 p.m. right now. I'm so tired. I've been doing laundry all day and my last load is just in the dryer now. It's literally taking me forever. My washing and drying machine, they're both really small, so the washing part isn't really an issue, but the dryer takes a long time for my clothes to actually get dry. Also, the vacuum that we have isn't that great, and my carpet is kind of this weird material that does not clean very easily or vacuum very easily, so I don't know. I'm debating just kind of getting rid of it altogether and just waiting until I can get a new one because it's really hard to keep it clean. Anyway, I just wanted to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.